No, I don't feel like shouting today because it is early morning. Guys, I really miss my brother because every day he will play with me, have fun with me, play Roblox with me, and even have a sound check. Yes, I know we fight sometimes, but he's the most beloved brother in my city. And I have other brothers that also live in the street, but not here. They live in the other street, and they never come visit me. They never come visit me. And my brother that lives here right now, he's the one that basically does everything. Like he will maybe do a sound check with it, like the teacher teaching him, and then he'll use different voices. And sometimes he would even help me with my homework if I have. And then he will also help me do my TikToks. And he will always entertain my TikToks. Like he will watch me, like in the video where he was moving his head, that's what he was doing. And he will also see, like he will also get to tweet in my videos, which makes me happy the most. Because I can clearly see he loves the fact that I'm doing my videos so that he can just. And now I have no one to do the sound check for me. I have no one to even chat with me. I can't chat with him. He's still sleeping. Mommy, and he's still sleeping, which breaks my heart to hear that he's on a camp. And he's been sending me videos, and I've been sending him videos of a cat, of our cat and our dog. But recently, our dog, we sold it, and that makes my heart broken full. But I know that my brother is okay at least, and I miss him, and he missed me